Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Sayyid Sadat Rahmatullah Ali was celebrated, and prayers were offered for peace, tranquility, and prosperity in the country. Nanded. In Nanded city of Maharashtra, the annual Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Sayyid Sadat Rahmatullah Ali, Bilal Nagar, Marghat Road, Nanded, was celebrated with great pomp and show. This Urs Mubarak was organized by Sufi Sheikh Khadir Qadri Sahib Panchtani Muli, the Maharashtra state president of the Sufi Khanka Association. The event was held under the patronage of Hazrat Sufi Sayyid Qamar Ali Shah Qadri, Telangana state president of the Sufi Khanka Association Fukra Mandal, under the supervision of Mutawalli Raja Khan Malang Khan of Nanded, under the leadership of Sufi Ubaid Ansari Sahib, national spokesperson of the Sufi Khanka Association, and under the guidance of Afsar Patel Chishti Sahib, Maharashtra State General Secretary of the Sufi Khanka Association. The special guests included Sufi Sayyid Junaid Ali Shah Qadri, Telangana Youth Wing State President of the Sufi Khanka Association, Sufi Saint Shri Ganesh Raghoba Gaikwad Babaji, Marathwada President of the Sufi Khanka Association, Ahmad Patel Chishti Sahib, Nanded District President of the Sufi Khanka Association, Sheikh Shadul Sahib Panchtani, Nanded City General Secretary of the Sufi Khanka Association, and Muhammad Ramzani Panchtani, who all participated in the event. This auspicious Urs celebration was attended by local and outsider Sufi scholars, including Sufi Amjad Baba Qadri Sahib from Nanded, Sufi Qadri Baba, Suleiman from Bodhan, Sufi Tawfiq Ali Qadri Shuttari, founder of Khanka-e-Qasim ul Auliya, Nori Chowk, Nanded, Sufi Shabbir Qadri Sahib from Nizamabad, and Sheikh Shafi Sahib Chishti from Nanded. The Sandal Mubarak procession was taken out from the residence of Sufi Sheikh Khadir Qadri Sahib Panchtani Muli in Aman Colony, Lakshmi Nagar, and after parading through the streets, it reached the Dargah of Hazrat Sayyid Sadat. Following this, a floral offering was presented, and Fatiha was recited, with prayers offered for the safety and well-being of the country and the community. On the occasion of the Sandal Mubarak, a community meal, Langa, was arranged at the residence of Sufi Sheikh Khadir Qadri Sahib, which continued from noon until late at night. Hundreds of devotees participated in the Sandal Mubarak and received blessings. Among them were Sheikh Azhar from Nashik, Sheikh Wasim from Nashik, Muhammad Usman Qadri from Aurangabad, Sufi Ghulam Rasool Sahib Qadri Shuttari from Nanded, Muhammad Kaf Qadri, Muhammad Nazim Qadri, Sheikh Salman Qadri, Sufi Rafiq Sahib Naqshbandi, Sufi Zamir Ali Shah Qadri, Akhil Sahib Tenwala, Shadul Sahib Furniturewala, Sheikh Mehboob Sahib, Sheikh Mansoor Sahib from Majram, Sheikh Haroon from Majram, Sheikh Mazhar from Majram, Sheikh Ismail Tenwala, Rehan from Wajegao, Ramat from Khadakpura, Sumit Ambedkar, Sachin from Lakshmi Nagar, Muhammad Patel, Haji Bodhan, Amjad Sahib Qadri from Deglur, Naim Qadri from Potangal, Shamam Sahib, Mutawalli of Dargah Hazrat Dulhe Shah Rahman, Nanded, Musa Sheikh from Gadga, Pir Sahib Maulvi Sahib from Majram, Sheikh Ferid Sahib from Majram, and Musaddiq from Islampura, Nanded. Akbar Shah, Sonu Shah, Sajid Chishti, Babu Sahib Kawal, Shalu Biloli, Ramakant Biloli, Sheikh Madar Sahib Biloli, Qasim Sheikh, Mubin Furniture, Javed Sahib Qadri, Farooq Nagar, Rafiq Sheikh, Ilyas Bilal Nagar, Shehbaz Machi Market, Naseeb Sheikh Nizamabad, Maula Sheikh Aman Colony, Ahmad Pathan Aman Colony, Yunus Sheikh Lakshmi Nagar, Sheikh Amir Bilal Nagar, Mumtaz Qadri Kalmanuri, Ali Hassan Qadri Kalmanuri, Asad Qadri Kalmanuri, Rahim Qadri Sitfedi, Rasool Sahib Qadri Sitfedi, Nur Muhammad, Khandwa, and Fazan Chishti Nanded were present. On the occasion of Sandal Mubarak, all the Sufi scholars and guests who had come were honored with shawls and garlands by Sufi Sheikh Khadir Qadri Sahib. The police administration officials were especially felicitated by Sufi Ubaid Ansari Sahib, national spokesperson of the Sufi Khanka Association, and the police administration was thanked for providing security for the Sandal Mubarak procession.